Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this PR package I got from BORNPRETTY. So let's see what we have in this bag. So I was told what was sent to me, but I actually forgot what it is. So let's see what we have here. So this is what we have. So I have 5 products from them again. So let me bring everything out. Okay, so this is Omnipotent cat magnetic gel. Okay, I've not used that before, so I don't know what it is. This is BORNPRETTY luminous macaron gel. Okay, so I don't know what this is. Sorry, my neighbors are passing, so their gates might be making a lot of noise. So this is BORNPRETTY glitter top coat. I think this is a new product that I saw on their channel, on their Instagram page recently. Okay, so I'm going to, let me just do everything off camera. Okay, I have the scissors here. So I have this. Then we have the BORNPRETTY reflective cat magnetic gel. I've got some of their magnetic gel before. Then this is just I think a regular polish. So let me open all of them so I can show you what they look like inside. So the good thing about this product is that you can actually, they come sealed, so you are positive that you are getting a good product. Apart from the fact that they sent it from the company, the ones I got from AliExpress were also sealed like this. So this is the this is one of the reflective cat magnetic gel. Wow. So this is like I don't know what this is. I'm going to put it on a nail tip, a sample nail, so you can see what it looks like. Wow, this is beautiful. Okay, so this is a luminous macaron gel. So I want to believe this is a glow in the dark gel polish. That is what they mean by luminous. So this is Omnipotent cat magnetic gel. Okay, so this is very beautiful. I think this should be going in a black. It's going to come out well on a black or a dark gel polish. So I'm going to see what it looks like, and this is just beautiful. This is like a bubblegum pink, right? This is beautiful. And this is a glitter. Wow, wow, wow. Can you see it? It's a top coat, but it has pink glitters in it, so a glitter top coat. So I'm going to put in them on the nail tip now so you can see it. So we are going with this BWH90. Okay, this is what we have. So one thing I usually say about BORNPRETTY gel polish products is that one coat is usually enough. The coverage is full. You don't have to do it twice to get a good coverage. You can see, as you can see. Let's do the luminous macaron gel. So luminous, I feel means like I said before, a glow in the dark gel polish. So I'm going to can you see this? It's a beautiful purple color. We have the glitter top coat. So I'm going to put it plain so you can see what it looks like. So you know, I have some clients that they just want glitters on their nails. No matter what you do for them, you must put a dash or a touch of glitters. I love glitters as well, but there are some people that just can't do without glitters. So this is what we have. This is what it looks like. So let's do the reflective cat magnetic gel. So this is this color. It's a very beautiful color. I feel this color will come out better on black if I want to use it, but let's do it without the black background and let's see what it looks like. But I have this feeling it's going to come out well if I do it on a black gel polish. So I'm going to do it now. Oh, sorry. Okay. So, wow. Okay. No. Where is the glitters? Where did they go to? I just want to pack them to one side. They disappeared. Okay, so I can see them now. Can you see them? Okay, can you see them? I put them on one side. That's actually what I wanted to do. Yeah. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Okay, okay, okay. Can you see it? Okay, so let's try something else. Okay. Okay, I love this. Can you see it? Okay, so this is what I have on this. So I'm going to do the I'm going to be doing this Omnipotent magnetic gel on a dark base because I see that it doesn't really have any color on it. Can you see? So I want to see the effect. Like the first reflective cat gel I did, if I had done a very dark coat base, the effect will have been very beautiful. So I'm doing this on a dark base. So let's see how this works as well. Okay, okay, okay. Can you see the way it works? Okay. So you can okay. So whichever way you want to put it. So I'm trying to create a pattern. I'm not good with this magnetic gel, cat gel polish of a thing. So I'm going to be trying to create a set with this so you guys can see it. So this is what the let me say it, the where is it now? The Omnipotent cat magnetic gel looks like. You know, I think the magnetic effect of this particular one is more than the rest. So this is what we have at the end of the day. This is the reflective magnetic gel polish. This is the glitter top coat. This is the Macaron luminous gel. This is the regular polish, and this is the Omnipotent cat magnetic gel. This is what it looks like. I feel it looks like an holographic chrome that we use on the nails. So I'm going to create a press-on set with this, one of this or two of this combination. I'm going to show you guys what I have at the end of the day. So I'll talk to you when I do the video for the press-on. I'm going to combine two videos, so this is going to be a long video. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. And when you're subscribing, you can turn the notification bell to all so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. So if you like me to review your products like I'm doing now, you can send me an email at glitterspolish15@gmail.com. My email is in the description box, so you can check it out and send me an email. So I'm going to be leaving the link to these products in the description box, so you can also check and click on it to create an order of anyone you like. The good thing about Born Pretty is that they do free shipping worldwide. So if you're in Nigeria, you want to buy this product, Born Pretty don't ship to Nigeria yet, but you can buy their product from AliExpress. So the same product from AliExpress and they ship to Nigeria. So thank you guys for watching. I'd like you to watch till to the end. I created a very beautiful set with this beautiful pink gel polish by Born Pretty. Kindly ignore the noise in my background. I'm just trying to do this so I can upload this before it's too late. So like I was saying, I'm going to create a very beautiful set with this beautiful pink polish. Kindly watch till the end. Leave a comment, let me know your thoughts about this set, and like this video also. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys, and stay blessed.
Baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Oh, baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Looku baby, looku baby, you be looku baby, looku baby. What have you done to me? Oh, got me chasing after you. What have you done to me, my Bella? Got me chasing after you. Yeah. Oh yeah, talk to me, oh mama. Ballroom so me die yo with you. Oh. Baby, all I seek, I find it in you. You. All I seek, I find it in you. And I'm falling for you, yeah. And I'm calling to you, yeah. Oh baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Oh baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Said I'm getting addicted, oh, no. I'm getting addicted to you. Said I'm getting addicted, oh, no. I'm getting addicted to you. Baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Oh, baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already.
So while I was reviewing the product, a client came in and she said she liked this. So I used both the Omnipotent magnetic cat eye gel polish and the reflective cat eye gel polish to create this particular set. I hope you guys love it. Thank you guys once again. Till next time, bye.